same bag of talking thing make me leaving. 2 weeks pass and me say no liquor squeezing. You know see, in a big bedroom freezing. I start here say so want me just start pleasing. 1 month me gone and a new man you find. It look like say you did have him long time. Now you start accuse me with words so unkind. I go on like say me commit the worst crime.
What the deal? What the deal? What the deal? Dancehall artist Pamputtae has distanced herself away from allegations that she is gay. According to the artist, a website circulated a misleading picture and story which have been sending a wrong message to her fans.
No girl can't point them finger on me, oh me. This a girl no guilty. None of them a hype up them lifestyle filthy. So if you know something, talk what you know about me. No girl to me skirt nor me spandex. I will forever take man till me breathless. In a girl Pamputtae nah no interest. Carry go bring come move, you're too reckless. Try them a try off and me it na go work. Try them a try off and me it na go work. Me see clear and me career them want hurt me. A girl love man from birth.
What the deal? According to sources, Busy Signal should be free to travel to Europe, but will have to wait on the outcome of his 2-year probation before visiting the United States.
The law is not being going. Spot by declare his position, go on trial and come out clean. And I mean, he has the right to be a citizen as same as everybody, right? For what has happened. So he should be absolutely free to travel. It's Europe. About the United States now, it's a different story because it's on probation, which means BC is 2 years.
Yeah, I think it's just about two years probation.
2 years
can apply
probation.
between
So,
time.
but after that 2 years, which are gonna go fast, it should be another time free to travel to the US.
What the deal? Killa says he will not do Sting this year and states that Isaiah Laing is the main reason for his decision to not perform.
I'm certainly not going to do Sting. As I said it earlier on previously, that I'm not going to do Sting because of certain insults that was thrown at me. And till this day, nothing have been reconciled. So obviously, today is launch, and I'm not contracted, and I'm not interested anymore because I'm not interested in clashing with no little insect artists, and that's where they're trying to take it, and I'm bigger than that. I've returned their money a week and a half ago, and they never really spoke about that because they don't want people to know that. So the money has been returned, and there's no contract, and there's no interest in working on Sting this year. Not going to say I won't ever do it again. It's a concert that I like to exercise my gladiatorism, but at this moment, unfortunately, the promoters messed it up. I'm sorry for all the fans who are going to miss me.
What the deal? Remember the house in Florida that Mr. Vegas' baby mama brought her lover into and allegedly got their groove on in the presence of the DJ's young daughter? Well, the premises is now for sale. The property, which is a townhouse, is estimated at $129,000 US. Vegas tell Music News that the negative energy generated when he is at the house is too much, in which hence his decision to sell.
The girl no give me no ratings, not even pot scrapings. This a girl a go on with their things. Turn me house in a days in gone with me life savings. This a girl a go on with their things. Me say when you are falling low, make sure you not fall too deep. The girl up and I broke it down in a me bed and now me can't sleep.
What the deal? Black Ryno is not dead, but his close friend was shot and killed on the weekend.
All the people them know say Black Ryno alive and kicking, and yeah, I'm good, you know, but you know, all the rumors them for clear up for the street, the Black Ryno dead and thing, and you know, just some misunderstanding, some man get and carry to me that the wrong way. You may say, you know, when I say friend, we say family like the teacher, so each and every close virgin you probably call them our brother still, and you know, lose a close virgin you always in the street and thing, and you know, send out condolences to him and his family and thing, and wish them all the best and hope them all it, and you know, all the people them to know say and the youth them to know say alive for say and them to live up. You see me I say?
What the deal? People, make sure you check out islandvibes.com for the latest music news and mixtape. It is very easy to sign up, so come and join the community. What the deal? What the deal? What the deal?
A long time. know we are come from far. Schoolyard days we apart, side by side in a schoolyard. War, enough time. We a plan of it and mix up. Never know what so you woulda pass. Don't know me, never know what so you woulda gone. Yeah. But when you miss a friend, yeah.